Hey there, YouTube fans. Welcome to Dog Tired at our final race at Beach Blast. Can we make it 4 in a row and defeat another legend? This time, Bobby Allison, or go away?
Impressive.
Once again, Bobby Allison not happy. And Jack Spring, Kyle Petty, Earnhardt, they've been showing up for the past few seasons.
Look out, everybody!
And we're having a strong gap already. And of course, the Twister has to come involved.
Yes, please! Don't you feel special?
When I set up a trap on... Ah! Well, Nick, don't throw it away already. Come on. Well, we're now pulling away, but I don't know for how long, so we're going to wait.
That's the way to save gas. Man, don't you mess this up now.
No, sir. The streak may be coming to an end or not, but I hear Bobby Allison with his boost. He's actually catching us up. But we're about 3 seconds far away from each other at Dog Tired. I got a Twister.
Well, I guess that guy's in a hurry. Now, that ain't fair.
Ah, come on.
We'll keep the track warm for you. It ain't in the bag yet.
Well, it's still only myself and Bobby Allison. Oh man, we're pulling away right now somehow.
You're a crowd favorite now.
Well, Dale Jr. is actually one of the crowd's favorite right now in real life. But I think Bill Elliott's son, Chase Elliott, might be the new favorite. Maybe that's why, because their last names, they become the crowd favorite, like Davey Allison.
Every dog does have two things.
And the storm came from Bobby Allison, of course.
You use a brakes
And here comes Bobby Allison. That's what's up again. Bumper tag, he just passed me. There you go.
I believe the concept here is to win, dude.
Oh, you got the oil slick and it didn't affect on him. Where you go?
Taking them off one at a time.
Whoa!
This saves the time to relax. You're going the wrong way, buddy. Come on, hit the gas.
I'm trying.
Watch out for the birdies. Look out, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, come on, buddy.
Ah!
What exactly is a palmetto bud?
Oh, that didn't work. Oh, well.
Make it count, man. Hey,
Come on.
What's my first tip?
Well, we're coming to the final lap. We're going to make it 12. Can we make it 12? Or is Bobby Allison going to defeat us? Because the rest of the drivers, they're just far away now.
Showtime!
Yeah, I'm giving you a low bumper tag.
Man, he's pedal slow. Oh, see what happens when you lag.
Hey, he's got the freeze. So, you need to play smart.
Man, don't you
Oh,
mess
and he
this
got the
up now.
storm. The weather, Mother Nature has outsmarted Bobby Allison. So this is good news for us. We're going to win this thing. We're going to make
Big
it...
air! Big air! Fire one!
Howdy, mutts. And we're going to make it 12 wins in a row with 4 championships in a row. Still undefeated. What a race. It seems like Mother Nature take care of Bobby Allison and still would not beat tonight. Hey, come on. Don't be a sore loser, Bobby Allison, all of a sudden. Come on. Well, YouTube fans, this is our last race at Beach Blast for playing as Dale Earnhardt Jr. And this championship goes to you, Dale Jr. And that championship is for you. Even though you did retire, and to us, even though you're the crowd favorite over the years, you deserve a championship at least. So this championship goes to you, Dale Jr. Well, YouTube fans, this is Nick Dillon here, ready about to sign off for January 22nd, 2018. And I'll see you again next time. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, yeah, needs a thumbs up. Leave down some comments and support this channel as we watch for the last few racers finishing the race. Alan, thank you, Dale Sr.